air compressor for tyres, jump pack for battery. Two completely separate bulky items. Carry them with you when you go and collect a car, carrying them in the boot of your car. You don't need those. All you need is that. One, the same thing, but in one package. 2,500 amp jump starter and 150 psi air compressor, all in one package, in a waterproof nylon bag. The pocket at the back. It comes with all the bits that you need, all the accessories, little connectors there that you can blow up balls and little boats and all that sort of thing. A USB-C to USB-A charging cable, the cable that you use for the jump pack, and of course the hose that you use to pump your tyres up. Here's the unit. There it is. 2,500 amp jump starter. And it's got the instructions on the back of what you need to do. Let's see it in action, shall we? Ordinary car, SUV, bicycle, ball, bar, PSI, KPA, bar. We want it on PSI. We want to set it to 32, and then we press and it stops. Plug it in, connect it up, check the green light. If you want to click on boost, you can click on boost, and that will give you a boost if it needs it, and then you go to the car and start the engine. And that is that. So you've got a USB-A socket there and a USB-C socket there, so you can charge things up. When it's powered up, if you press the button on the side, you've got a torch. If you press the button on the side again, you've got a flashing torch. If you press the button on the side again, I believe that's SOS. Press it again and it goes off. How about that? A compact little unit that does jump starting and pumping your tyres up. If you want to get yourself one of these, get yourself over to the link in the description and buy yourself one. It's a cracking, it's about the size of a paperback book, a little bit thicker, one unit to carry rather than two. Really good bit of kit. This has been sent to me to do an honest review. Haven't been paid to do this review. They have been sent this, of course, free of charge. But as you know, my reviews are honest. If I don't like something, I'll say so. When I go and collect cars, I normally take 2 bits of kit with me in my backpack. This can now be what I take, just the one. What a cracking bit of kit. Get yourself into the description, click on the link if you want to buy yourself one. That's it. Thanks for watching. As always, take care, stay safe, and we'll see you soon.